So this is the air conditioner on the roof of our restaurant. In case you didn't know, it's called Humvees. I think it's a carrier because of the type of badging. There's no data sheet. It would. The reason I'm up here is because I'm just up on the roof with my dad. And also over there's another air conditioner, which is a split window, or mini split. There are the ones over there at the police station. And there are the ones over there at the library. But yeah, I bet this is a carrier because of the way it looks and whatnot. It's really cool. Yeah, a tornado